how to transfer Gmail to another Gmail account. So if you want to transfer Gmail to another Gmail account, then first you need to log into the primary Gmail account. Once you've logged into your Gmail, go for settings, which is on the top right, and then go for see all settings. And under this, you need to go for forwarding and pop IMAP tab. And under the pop download section, you need to select enable pop for all mail. Click on the Save Changes button. Now you want to open up your new Gmail in which you would like to transfer the email. To do so, click on the profile icon and then click on Add Account. Enter your new Gmail ID and go for Next and enter your password to sign into your new Gmail account. After logging into the new Gmail, you just need to go for Gmail, which is on the upper right, and go for the upper right, which has that settings again, and go for see all settings. Click on accounts and import. Scroll down and here you will have check email from other accounts. So simply click on add an email account. Now enter the old email address in the text bar and then go for next. Now select import emails from my other account and then go for next. And now enter the password of your old Gmail account and then go for add account. And in this way you can transfer your Gmail to another Gmail account. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.